Hello. Now in this small video, we will going to learn how to create program for young students recording Excel. Means what? Try to understand. We have already one file in this Excel. Okay. Last video we have seen we have created a record for 4 students. 4 students. What if I want to create record for young students? So this was the code. Just I show you the code. Okay. So this is the program for 4 students. Okay, we need to install panda library, we need to install openpyxl and create environment in Python, activate the environment in Python. I will give this code in the description, don't worry. So here I have taken the input for name, array, email, branch, mdm. But here if you see for I equal to in range 4, okay, so just I show you the previous code so that you will understand more better way what did we do in last video. Okay, this is small program for I in range 2, name equal to name, and or I in range 2, n1 equal to enter student name, name.append n1. Here range is 2. So let us make the code more dynamic. So name equal to blank space. Okay, let us take the input from user. Okay, number of students equal to how many number of students, input int, because by default we get input as string, input enter number of students, okay, enter number of students 23. Okay, if I type here number of student, output is 23. Okay, now use the for loop for I in range, okay, range for I in range number of students. Okay, before that what I do, I just execute it one more time, because otherwise I will have to enter 23 times. I just enter 5, means I will enter number of students as 6 for 6 students. Okay, so number of students are 6. So if I type here enter number of students, the values of number of students are how many? 6. So for I in range, okay, number of student, okay, colon, okay, print I. If I write print I will get 6 values. See this, print I plus 1. What will the I get? 1 to 6. Okay, so what I do now, I just copy this, okay, control V, and here for I in range 6, okay, n1 equal to input, enter name, okay, and print it back, print n1. So enter name AA, enter name BB, enter name CC, enter name DD, enter name EE, enter name FM. So this is simple program where I have shown you how I can make the program dynamic. Okay, so what I need to do, see, try to understand why I am doing this. In my previous code, here number of students were only 4. I am taking input statically. Now what I will do, I will simply replace this statement by this statement. That's it. Here's me karna hai, baki guys karna hai. That's it. Okay, so what I am going to do, let me do it one more time. Number of students, just copy this, okay, file, save as, list, Excel, dynamic, okay, dynamic number of student. Okay, so what I will do, simply put it here, number of students equal to enter number of students, and here what I will do, here in place of 4, that's it, I have to just put here this value. Repeat, or number of students times, that's it. So that's it. I have made the small changes in the same code. I have not done any other change. Okay, name, email, branch, MDM. If you see this, I have got the same column here, name, email, branch, MDM. So here you can see in my pandas, name, email, branch, MDM. Okay, so what I have done here, same program, I am taking input for number of students. So here I am taking input for name, students name in N1, email in E1, branch in BR1, and determine its branch. If branch equal to IT, data science, branch equal to mechanical, MDM CAD, otherwise MDM equal to other. And here afterwards append this name, email, branch, MDM to the respective array, and afterwards let us change the column name. I write it name12, name12, email 12, branch 12, MDM12. What will happen? Tell me, if I make this small change, when I run the file, here my column name will be name12, email 12, branch 12, MDM12. That's it. Let us do it. Okay, are you ready? And here what I do, I just, for 4 students, I write records n students. Okay, save it. Okay, and run the code now. Let us be ready. Pi or n students. Okay, pi, I run the student for n students. Okay, 4 2. What happened? I think file is not saved. Let me save it one more time. Control yes. List Excel dynamic number of students. Okay, list Excel dynamic pi list Excel dynamic n students. Can you see number of students, n of students? We have the same file name. Let me confirm, otherwise we will get the error. Yeah, can you see this number of students here? Yes or no? Great. So I'm running this file. Press enter. Okay, great guys, let us be ready. I will show both windows simultaneously, how the code get execute. Be ready. Now here I got a message, enter number of students. How do I get a message, enter number of students? Can you see this? Enter number of students. Okay, before that what happened here? This array is initialized. Name array is blank, email array blank, branch array blank, MDM array blank. And I got the message, enter number of students. Can you see this, enter number of students? So I enter here 6. So now I in range 6. Value of number of students is 6. Now this loop will repeat how many times? 6 times. So when I execute the code, what will happen here? When I execute the code, here I will get a new file, record students, n students, and in that there will be 6 records. Okay, so enter name of student 1. Can you see? Enter name of student I plus 1, I0, student 1. So I enter here stud 1. I write email 1. Okay, branch 1. Now student 2. Now here I was 0. I got the record. Now here I is 1. I is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Here, see, try to understand this. Initially when I was 0, 0 plus 1, 1. That's why here I got 1. Now next I is 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. That's why here I get student 1, student 2, student 3, like that. Okay. Name of student, student 2. Student 2. Now this statement execute. Now enter email of students 2. So I write email 2. Now branch, enter branch of student 2. I write here civil. Now when I is 2, it become 3. Again I got same message for enter name of students. Okay, here stud 3, email 3, and here I write mechanical. Okay, can you see this? Enter branch of students, enter branch of students. Okay, enter email of student 3, enter email of student 3. Clear? Eh? So mechanical, I press enter. Now here when I is again I enter stud 4. Now here name of student 4 is stud 4. For email 4, this is email 4. Okay, I enter. Now branch 4, this branch 4. Okay, I write here IT. For student 5, I write stud 5, email 5. I branch write mechanical one more time. Student, I write student 6, complete. Student 6 at aggs.ac.in. This is our college name. Branch 6 is suppose my branch is suppose I write IT. So guys, be ready. This is the last statement. Now what will happen? Magic will happen. I'm going to show you the magic here. Now here, as you see, what is the file name here? File name is student record nxls. Okay, this file will be created now. Be ready guys. Okay, are you ready for this miracle now? Here you will see the file student record n, because whatever wherever, and this file is present where? This file is present in this folder. Can you see the folder? C user BS Shetty environment DS 11 PM. See the same path is here. Same path is here. C user, if I rename this C user BS Shetty environment DS code. So here I get the file created. Clear? Eh? So let us be ready now. I just close this window. Now the moment I click here, what will happen? Tell me what will happen. The moment I click here, file should be created. That's it. So I'm rearranging the window so that you people can understand more better way. Visuals. Okay, be ready. Are you ready? Okay, just I resize the window in more better way, and this file name. Press enter. Yes, congratulations, you got student record n student. Can you see this? Can you check the date? 6 August 2024, 7:49. I am currently in my department cabin. 7:49, 6 August. If you open this file, you will get the record. That's it. I just zoom out the screen so that you can see in more better way. Now here, if you see this record, records are created. Can you see the records? Yes or no? Yes. So in this way, we have successfully created a file where these are the records that have been entered by me when I have created the file. Okay, when I have created the file at that time, these are the records present here: stud1, stud2, stud3, stud4, stud5, stud6, and here the branch was IT. That's why branch MDM is data science. If you see the logic here, I show you one more time so that you will become more confident here. If you see the logic here, if the MDM, if branch equal to IT, then data science, IT then data science. You can see here IT data science. If branch is mechanical, then MDM is CAD. Otherwise branch is other. That's why here maximum times other is there. So in this way we have successfully executed the code. So what you can do, you can create multiple versions of the same code. I'm putting the code in description also. And for any doubts, you can refer my website balajishetty@gmail.com. You can put your query there. You can put in the comment box, and do like the video, share the video with your classmate, branchmate. Thank you very much. Bye.